Citi's expectations, it looks fairly bullish. Both top line, bottom line and even EBITDA performance that they're factoring in for the quarter gone by for the Nifty 50 companies is looking fairly bullish. Sales, let's talk about that first. They're talking about 19.6% sales to be recorded by all the Nifty companies put together. EBITDA growth of 29% almost. PAT growth of also 19.7% is what they're factoring in. So clearly, high double-digit growth is something that they are looking for across the board, across parameters for all the Nifty 50 companies put together. Let's talk about some outperformers then. M&M Finance is one company that they're betting on to outperform this time around. The NPA growth could be slower on a sequential basis, and that is something that could impact the overall financial performance and could actually help it get better in terms of asset quality. Next up, JSPL, they believe that India as well as Oman, both the businesses are shining bright, and that's exactly something that would augur well in the quarter gone by for JSPL. Another big company that they're betting on is Nestle. They believe that Nestle is poised to deliver very strong volumes this quarter, and also in terms of top line growth, Nestle could be one of the outperformers, not just within the FMCG space but overall in the Nifty 50 companies. ITC, another one from the consumer space, is likely to do well, not because of FMCG products but because of the improvement in margins in cigarettes. They believe that the mix has improved a fair bit, and that's exactly which could aid margins for ITC. Tata Motors, JLR volumes, that's not a surprise to anybody that they've been a bit soft in the quarter gone by, but what could really surprise is JLR's margins performance. That is something that Citi seems to be betting on, as opposed to most analysts on the street who believe that JLR, or rather Tata Motors volumes and overall performance financially in the quarter gone by could be in fact among one of the weaker ones. Let's talk about the other end of the spectrum, the companies which are likely to be underperformers in the quarter gone by. Voltas is one. There's a bit of a setback because of unseasonal rains in the quarter gone by, which has impacted the AC sales overall. If you look at the market, that is something that could play spoil sport for Voltas's performance. Ashok Leyland, a lot of CV players doled out discounts in order to boost sales, and that discounting could actually weigh on their margins, which could be a bit of a drag in the quarter gone by. Lastly, Bajaj Auto, again, they also doled out several discounts in order to boost their sales, and that is something that could play the devil for Bajaj's Q1 performance despite a strong volume growth.
Okay, thanks very much, Karanya, for taking us through what we can expect from the entire auto space, especially Bajaj Auto. Disappointing Q1 in store.